Hello everyone, my name is KP Kwan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Taste of Asian Food. I like to cook and I operate my restaurant since the year 2003. It is my pleasure to share with you the recipe that I have developed. Most of the recipes are Asian food, particularly on Chinese food. If you ever watch any of these videos, you'll find that they are in the tutorial format and provide all the necessary information for you so that you can replicate the recipe at home with ease. I also include a link in the description below each video which leads you to my blog post. Over there, you can download the recipe and read the detailed notes of how to cook each dish, as it is not possible to include all the information in a short video. If you have any questions about the recipe, please leave the comment and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. That's for now, and I hope we'll see you in one of my videos. Bye for now.